How to lose weight with alkaline diet. The alkaline diet is a nutritional approach focused on consuming foods that promote an alkaline effect in the body. While its primary goal is to improve overall health by balancing the body's pH levels, many people turn to the alkaline diet for its potential to aid in weight loss. By understanding the principles of this diet and optimizing your habits, you can harness its full potential to achieve your weight loss goals. Here's an in-depth guide on how to help the alkaline diet become a more effective tool for losing weight. What is the alkaline diet? The alkaline diet encourages eating foods that are less likely to produce acid after digestion, focusing on natural, plant-based options. The diet classifies foods into 3 categories. 1. Alkaline-producing foods, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. 2. Neutral foods, natural fats and starches. 3. Acid-producing foods, processed foods, dairy, meats, and refined sugars. The diet claims to reduce inflammation, improve energy, and support overall health by emphasizing alkaline-producing foods and minimizing acid-producing options. While the science behind pH balance and food is debated, the diet's focus on whole foods naturally promotes weight loss. How the alkaline diet promotes weight loss. The alkaline diet encourages the consumption of nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods while discouraging processed, calorie-heavy options. This approach reduces calorie intake and promotes healthier eating habits, key factors in weight loss. Additionally, it supports improved digestion and energy levels, making it easier to stay active and burn calories. How to optimize the alkaline diet for weight loss. To maximize the weight loss benefits of the alkaline diet, follow these strategies. 1. Focus on calorie-dense foods in moderation. While many alkaline foods are low in calories, some, such as nuts, seeds, and avocados, are calorie-dense. Overeating these foods can hinder weight loss progress. Measure portions and include them as a healthy fat source without exceeding your daily calorie needs. 2. Prioritize high-fiber foods. Fiber is a crucial weight loss nutrient, promoting satiety and reducing cravings. The alkaline diet already emphasizes fiber-rich options such as leafy greens, broccoli, and beans. Make these the bulk of your meals to keep you full and prevent overeating. 3. Stay hydrated with alkaline water. Hydration is essential for overall health and weight loss. Drinking alkaline water may help flush toxins, improve metabolism, and reduce bloating. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water daily, and consider starting your morning with a glass of warm water infused with lemon for a detoxifying effect. 4. Balance meals with plant-based proteins. Protein is vital for building and repairing tissues and supporting a healthy metabolism. The alkaline diet leans heavily on plant-based protein sources such as lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and tofu. Including these in your meals can prevent muscle loss during weight loss and keep you energized. 5. Practice portion control. Even when eating healthy alkaline foods, portion control is crucial for creating a calorie deficit, the foundation of weight loss. Use smaller plates, measure servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues to avoid overeating. 6. Incorporate regular exercise. The alkaline diet is not a magic solution, it works best with regular physical activity. Cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises boost metabolism and enhance calorie burn. Yoga, in particular, complements the alkaline diet by promoting mindfulness and balance. 7. Plan and prepare meals. Meal planning helps you adhere to the alkaline diet and avoid unhealthy choices. Prepare meals and snacks in advance, focusing on colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to keep your diet balanced and enjoyable. Sample alkaline diet plan for weight loss. Here's an example of a day on the alkaline diet designed for weight loss. Breakfast. 1. Green smoothie with spinach, kale, cucumber, almond milk, and a handful of chia seeds. 2. A small serving of fresh fruit, such as berries. Snack. 1. A handful of raw almonds or sunflower seeds. Lunch. 1. Quinoa salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and a lemon tahini dressing. Snack. 1. Fresh vegetable sticks, carrots, celery, cucumber, with hummus. Dinner. 1. Grilled zucchini, asparagus, and mushrooms served with a lentil and spinach stir-fry. Dessert, optional. 1. A small bowl of fresh melon or mango slices. This meal plan prioritizes nutrient-dense, fiber-rich, and low-calorie options, helping you maintain a calorie deficit while feeling satisfied. Common challenges and how to overcome them. 1. Difficulty giving up acidic foods. Reducing acidic foods like coffee, meat, and processed snacks can be challenging. Start gradually by substituting one acidic food for an alkaline alternative each week. 2. Boredom with food choices. Eating the same foods repeatedly can lead to boredom. Experiment with different recipes, spices, and cooking techniques to keep meals exciting and flavorful. 3. Maintaining social activities. Dining out or attending events may make sticking to the alkaline diet harder. Choose plant-based dishes or bring your meal to ensure you stay on track. Benefits beyond weight loss. While weight loss is a significant benefit of the alkaline diet, it also offers additional advantages, such as 1. Improved digestion and reduced bloating. 2. Enhanced energy and vitality. 3. Reduced inflammation and better skin health. 4. Lower risk of chronic diseases. Final thoughts. When approached strategically, the alkaline diet is a powerful tool for improving health and achieving weight loss. You can unlock the diet's full potential by focusing on whole, plant-based foods, balancing portions, staying hydrated, and incorporating exercise. With commitment and mindful planning, the alkaline diet can help you shed pounds and maintain a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. Loudspeaker. Let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with someone looking to like it.